Hello, welcome on this 15th day of our project. We've been following this flower from the day it bloomed to this is day 15. So today I'm taking this photo a bit late in the day. Okay, it's not midday. So this is how on the 15th day the banana has come out. This is the top part of the flower. You see very big hands and fingers. And then as we go down, you can see the hands have also been exposed. Down we have more. In fact, some of them down here have even shed off the covering leaf. And as we are standing this day, we have 13 hands starting from this top one, then the second. The top one has 25 fingers. This one has 20 fingers. Then we have this one here on this side. This one has 18. This one has 17, and it's up to there where I have counted. I'm waiting for the others to shed off their covering leaves, and then we can count how many fingers each has. So this is the 15th day, and that is how the banana looks like. Thanks for watching. Brace yourself for Christmas tomorrow, and have a happy and merry Christmas with beautiful hands and fingers.